up from the sunshine on my face.
Hey love, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a speed clean of my daughter's playroom. It is just one of those days where I just let her do her thing because usually I do clean up as we play together. So I want to get this room clean so that in the morning we could wake up and everything could be neat and organized and she could go on and start playing all over again. So if you guys are looking for some cleaning motivation, continue to watch to the end.
Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark.
Are you anything like me and always putting away books? Since I do have my daughter's bookcase on her eye level, she's always getting books to read, which I love, but I'm always putting them back. What are your kiddos' favorite books to read? I know right now she is loving Brown Bear, and then she also really likes reading books with flaps and stuff. So if you guys have a good recommendation, leave it down in the comments so I can try to get it too for her.
Feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark.
Have you guys been doing DIY activities for your kiddos? I recently just started saving all my recyclable items like boxes and paper towel rolls just so that we can try to do DIYs together. Like that box, for example, is actually a posting activity where she feeds Cookie Monster cookies, and I make sure that all her toys and even her DIY activities have specific places to go, and that's how I keep things organized when I am cleaning. Like I said earlier, I usually do put things away with her as we play for each activity, but today was just one of those days where I just let her run amok and just play all around the room and leave things on the floor, which is fine some days, but I do like to keep some order, and I'm trying to teach her that she has to clean up and put things away in their proper place just to help me throughout the day as well. So let me know, do you let your kids just run amok and leave the room a hot mess all day, or are you trying to teach them to clean up as they go too?
We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all.
So my daughter just turned 19 months, and we do practice a Montessori inspired method of teaching her how to learn, as well as traditional too, but this playroom is Montessori inspired. So I've been doing a lot of practical life skills. So as you can see there, I'm teaching her how to pour, and we use a tray because it can get really messy. I actually use lentils, so a little bit of it got on the floor, which is why I have to vacuum every other day. But I also am going to be teaching her with water too, because practical life skills is really important in having your daughter or your son develop. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my toy rotation. So as you can see, I have all her toys in those bins right there. So if you guys are looking to see how I do a toy rotation, that video should be coming out in the next week or two. And then I also want to share with you guys a video on how I organize all those toys that I store while they're not out for her to play with. So if you guys aren't subscribed already, hit that notification bell so that you can see when that video comes out. I have a lot of great content coming out for you guys this spring and summer. So I hope you are a part of my YouTube family.
It's all for you. It's all for you. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say.
So I recently just did a Playroom makeover tour video that I'll link up above, but unfortunately my nugget didn't make the filming cut, so I didn't get to share with you guys how it looks, but this is where I decided to put it. I'm going to be doing some changes in the Playroom, so I'll probably do an updated video, but every night I try to change up the look of the nugget. You can do around I think 10 to 15 different positions with just one of them, and this one's actually called the camper, so I try to do that for her so that she can get in the room and get excited and go in there and play. So this is it, loves. My daughter's playroom is nice and clean. I did this within 15 minutes. I wanted to do a speed clean, and I was able to put everything back in its proper place. I hope I gave you guys the motivation to clean your kiddo's play area, whether it's a room or a small space in your house, whatever it is. But it was definitely something that I wanted to get done so that she could wake up in the morning and see all her toys in their proper place and just start the whole day all over again and make a mess, right? Because that's mom life and that's toddler life. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are doing well and you're staying safe, and I'll talk to you soon.